Cracking the code to Amazon's A9 algorithm? Let's dive in. Every day, millions search for products on Amazon, but only a few listings grab the spotlight. So, what's the magic behind those top-ranked products? It's the A9 algorithm. Amazon's A9 is not just any search algorithm. It's designed to maximize Amazon's profit by connecting buyers to the products they're most likely to purchase. Begin with relevant keywords. Integrate primary and secondary keywords into your title, backend, and description, but keep it natural. Your product's price affects its ranking. Strive for competitive, but also consider the perceived value. High-quality images, a compelling title, clear bullet points, and an informative product description can elevate your listing. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. High ratings signal A9 that your product is a crowd pleaser. Maintain stock levels and ensure efficient delivery. A9 prioritizes products that don't disappoint eager buyers. Consider Amazon's advertising options to give your products an extra push and improve visibility. A9 isn't static. Stay updated with its changes and adapt your strategies accordingly. Navigating the A9 algorithm can be your game changer. Equip yourself with these tips and conquer Amazon's vast marketplace.